Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about, the Dreame Z10 Station. It's not just your ordinary stick vacuum cleaner. It's got some serious tech packed into it. Let's dive right in. The Dreame Z10 Station is a game changer in the world of vacuum cleaners.
It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's efficient.
But let's break down the key features that make this vacuum stand out from the crowd.
First off, let's talk about design and build.
The Z10 Station isn't just functional, it's a statement piece for your home. With its clean lines and matte finish, it exudes quality from every angle.
Plus, it's got a user-friendly interface with a display that shows battery life and power mode, making it easy to use. Now, onto performance and features.
The Z10 Station boasts a whopping 150 AW of suction power, making quick work of dirt and debris on any surface. And thanks to its blue light technology, you can easily spot any missed spots for a thorough clean. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the Z10 Station is its automatic dustbin emptying.
Simply dock the vacuum into the base station, press a button, and voila! The dirt is sucked into the dust collection bag, which holds an impressive 2.5 liters. No more clouds of dust when emptying your vacuum.
So, should you buy the Dreame Z10 Station?
Absolutely.
It's a game changer in the world of vacuum cleaners, offering convenience, power, and style, all in one package. However, availability may be an issue in some regions. So be sure to check out our alternatives if you can't get your hands on the Z10 Station. That's all for today's review.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.